Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a sexy looking car here. It's a 67 Impala Super Sport with a big block 454 and dual quads under the hood. It's the fastback body style. For a big car, it's a good looker. I've always liked this one right here. If you go to volocars.com, you can get all the specs, pricing, photos, top to bottom of this car and a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale on our website. Also, take a second, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the little bell. That way you get notified as these videos come out. You'll be the first to see them. But right now, let's go for a spin in this big block Impala Super Sport. I bought this from a gentleman. This was his baby. He's the guy who restored it and has owned it for the last several years. He said about $60,000 is invested in this car, and it really shows. It's a nice piece. Now as it comes around, look at that fastback design. I think that's so cool. Yeah, beautiful body and paint. Two-tone finish, obviously. It's split up in the middle with the red pinstripe. I think it's really sharp looking. It's a mirror finish. Both sides of the car are really straight. I mean, this is a high quality body and paint restoration. The silver metal flake is laid out real nice. Look how nice everything fits. All the chrome back here is beautiful. The tail lights look new. The bumper has bumper guards. All beautiful trim there. Moldings are real nice. Some big chrome torque thrust wheels with some nice tires on there. All the moldings have been polished. The rear window looks crystal clear. Yeah, all this stuff is straight and polished. There's a little freckling on the vent window pillar here. Those are original. There's the bow tie mirrors, new SS emblems. Windshield looks new. Even the wiper arms are shiny. It's got 396 emblems on it because that's what they would have come with. This has a 454 in it now. Everything up here is beautiful. All the moldings, the trim, the grills, the bumper, the bezels here around the lights, it's all mint condition. The white interior is really nice too. Really like the white upholstery. It's just done real nicely. They must have recushioned the seats because look how nice the upholstery fits. It's not wrinkled. And all the seat backs, the trim, the chrome around the seats is all done. The carpets are new. Headliner's new. The lights work up overhead. When I was sitting in the car, I look back and just all of this trim is real nice. Has one of them secret audio stereos. It has a wireless remote to control it. 6x9 speakers. Got an antenna back here. CD changer. Big clean trunk. I don't see any patches or splices or rust. It's all clean metal. Got the jack, the spare. Wrapped up in the blanket right there are the fender skirts, which I wouldn't want them on there, but they are there. They go with the car. Under here is painted gloss. So it's even smooth and slick to the touch. The light works. New weather strip. The armrest, the window cranks and handles, all beautiful, all new. New weather strips. Door jambs are just as slick as the outside. Underneath the car, all the suspension, all been rebuilt. Got a real nice sound and exhaust system. You'll hear in a second. It's got its original Turbo 400 automatic trans. That and this motor is rebuilt. Completely built motor, dual Edelbrocks on there. It's a factory air car. Power steering, power brakes. Both of those units are chromed. The alternator's chromed. Yeah, everything, the fan, the shroud, the wiring, HEI ignition, it's got headers, battery cables, everything in here looks restored. Real nice shape. Yeah, door jambs are beautiful. Solid car underneath. Even the insulation behind the back seat is new. This has what they call the multiplex stereo. Right now the modern stereo is hooked up. It's still a unique, fairly valuable piece. It's a tape player. with all the different adjustments with speakers in the kick panels. The dash area is really nice. The dash pad, the metal, the bezel, the knobs, vents, all excellent. Steering wheel. Actually, the steering wheel looks nice, but does have some cracks in the plastic. All right, let's fire her up. Got the old style moon eyes tachometer and matching gauge cluster down below the dash. This is really cool. It has a little Matchbox car painted to match. Comes with a manual. That's a good looking car. It's had a lot of restoration. Look how it's all done under here. There's one little dimple there. Almost looks like they put the bolt in for the hood hinge. That's what it looks like. There's a little tiny dimple going up. Big car. I gotta wait for this to go by. You're opening 8 barrels there, so pass everything but a gas station. So good looking car, really well restored, good looking design. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. We'll walk you through the whole process. You need more pictures, videos, questions answered, let us know how we can help. Financing, shipping, we'll arrange all that for you. So visit the website, volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you can be notified first as these videos are made. Thanks for watching.